in the 1834 to sampai
Bareng ya.
83, 84,
Bareng.
1833 menjelang 1834 adanya rekonsiliasi tempat itu.
there is a reconciliation at the time 1834 by the 1830 sampai menjelang 34.
1833 to 1834.
Okay. So at the time 1833, yeah, by the end 1833, almost in the 1834, there is the reconciliation between apa?
Perang Padri yang dari Sumatera Barat ke
From the West Sumatra, we call last time Padri War. Padri War means they kill the pastors in this area. They have a title, I mean, to make a war to Christianity because they know Christianity come to Batak land.
Jadi keganasan perang itulah sumber utama raja-raja membuat suatu musyawarah besar.
Last time the war so fearful, yeah, so that kings surrounding in di Sumatera Utara dan Barat, you know?
Ya.
Yeah, kings in the North Sumatra and also the West Sumatra make a reconciliation.
Nah, keputusannya kalau hidungnya mancung, kulitnya putih, bahasanya tidak seperti bahasa kita, maka itu diduga mata-mata Belanda, mata-mata penjajah zaman Belanda ya.
So kings last time from this area, from the North Sumatra and also from West Sumatra, make a decision. If someone come to our land, if the trades like the eyes, yeah, the eyes, matanya
White, white.
the eyes white,
Blue.
and or
And so,
blue,
he don't
and
understand about
skins white,
the Batak language.
and doesn't understand Batak language,
Ya,
and then we will apa kita akan ngapain katanya?
usir bila mana perlu bunuh.
We must cast them out, ya. If it is needed, we must kill them
Karena diduga itu penjajah.
because they are suspected as a colonizer.
Di tahun 1824 sudah pernah berkhotbah pendeta Burton dan Uar.
So in 1824, ya 1824, there are two pastors, ya. Sadia di mana?
From English,
Barton and
Uar.
Pastor Barton and Ward from England.
Berkhotbah di Rura Silindung dengan tema The King of Kings.
It was they come to preach the gospel with the theme the kingdom, king of the kings.
Orang Batak tidak ada yang mau kalau raja lain menandingi kerajaannya.
So Bataknis, the kings of Bataknis last time they didn't want. There is another king want to surpass their king last time.
Iya. Ini dihalau ke Parausorat Sepiro.
Dan sini di Rura Selindung.
Yeah.
It was last time in the Selindung Valley.
Iya.
Ya, Selindung Valley.
Iya.
Terus?
Rura Selindung dan kemudian dihalau ke Parausorat Sepiro.
And then Bataknis last time cast them to another place. Apa namanya?
Parausorat Sepiro. Parausorat Sepiro.
Parausorat Sipiro.
Ah.
Another place.
Dan kemudian dari Burton dan Uar telah informasi ke sending yang ada di Boston, Amerika Serikat.
So by Pastor Barton and Ward, the missionaries last time, yeah, they
To give information.
to give information to the sending
in Boston, Amerika Serikat.
which place in the Boston, Amerika.
Kalau tanah Batak masih dalam kegelapan.
Which was that Batak land still in the darkness.
Dan orangnya ramah, selalu welcome kepada pendatang, disuguhkan dengan tortor Batak dan disuguhkan dengan jamuan makan.
The people in the Batak land, they are so familiar,
Kind,
they're very kind, very nice, cordially welcoming, welcoming guests. I mean, welcoming another people, another nation come to their
This
nation, their village, and welcoming with dancing,
Yeah.
traditional dancing.
Yes. Mendengar itulah kalau kalau pendeta Munson dan Liman semangat untuk membawa Injil ke tanah Batak.
The informations, make Pastor Liman and Munson, have a new spirit, a fresh spirit. They want to come. They want to come to Batak land, want to bring the gospel.
Iya. Dan kemudian Henry Liman dengan naik kapal SS Duncan berlayar dari Boston menuju Batavia. Ya, SS Duncan menuliskan SS Duncan. Itulah nama kapalnya.
Kapal lautnya itu?
Ya.
So, siapa yang naik ke kapal laut?
Henry Liman, Samuel Munson, Henry Liman
Oh, Henry Liman and Samuel Munson,
bersama istri
with their wives,
came from America to Batavia.
Okay, pas dulu.
Now,
Yeah.
lanjut.
Came to Batavia, Jakarta,
Perjalanan di laut selama 105 hari.
Traveling journey from Boston to Batavia, took time 100 berapa?
5 hari.
105 days.
Dan kemudian sampai di Batavia, sepakat kalau tinggal istri dulu di sana sebelum ada pelayanan yang pasti.
And they make a decision. Their wife live in Jakarta, so they come to Sumatra. They have a plan. Their wife will come
Mederika.
together. They want to make sure they have ministry in Batak land.
Ya. Kemudian melanjutkan perjalanan dari Batavia ke Bengkulu, dari Bengkulu ke Padang, dari Padang ke Pelabuhan Besar Barus, dan dari Pelabuhan Besar Barus melanjutkan perjalanan ke Sibolga.
Kenceng nih. From Batavia,
Bengkulu.
to Bengkulu.
Jakarta nih Mama.
Dari Jakarta ke Bengkulu ke
Padang.
From Padang,
Pelabuhan Besar Barus,
Big Port,
Barus.
Barus,
Kemudian ke
and
Sibolga
then to
Ke-
Sibolga,
dan berjalan kaki jalur hutan
and by foot, on foot from Sibolga, to
Melalui
break
hutan.
the forest last time,
Ya.
jungle.
dari Puriaha,
From Puriaha,
Pagaran Baringin,
Pagaran Baringin,
Sigarupu,
Sigarupu,
Sitapayan,
Sitapayan,
Pagaran Lambung,
Pagaran Lambung,
Adia Koting,
Adia Koting,
pendek cerita tibalah di daerah kami.
and then they reach this, arrive here or reaching this place.
Lobu Pining, Kecamatan Adia Koting.
This is we call Lobua Pining Adia.
Lobu.
Lobu Pining, Kecamatan Adia Koting, artinya Adia Koting District.
Iya. Namun lokasi leluhur kita di hutan sana namanya Lobu Sisaka.
So her ancestor last time staying live in the mana itu tadi?
Lobu Sisaka.
Lobu Sisakat.
Tapi inilah dulu Onam.
It was
This is the market.
this is market.
Kesepakatan di sini setiap ada masalah harus di Onam diselesaikan.
So in this place, in this village, if there is something problem, the problem must be settled in the market here.
Oke.
Iya. Tetapi di pintu gerbang masuk ke Lobus Zakat itu selalu ditugasi satu orang pengawal raja. Ketika melintasi daerah itu harus terlebih dahulu melapor ke Raja Panggalangan.
So when the Munson and Liman come here, yeah. So there is King's Panggalamay, King's Panggalamay put someone in the gate, yeah, in the gate to ngapain? Untuk menjaga.
Pertama harus melapor dulu.
Oh, there is a custodian from the kings. Yeah,
Yeah.
when guests come, yeah, foreigner come, must reporting by the custodian to the kings. Siapa nama rajanya?
Raja Panggalamay Marga Lumban Tobing.
Kings Panggalamay Lumban Tobing.
King's Minister. Yeah.
Kemudian setelah mendekati raja, raja mengambil pedangnya dan bertanya.
And then when the minister report, and then kings asking Munson and Liman with his
Punten.
sword,
Ya,
asking with his sword.
iya. Pertama,
First,
ngapain kalian ke sini?
what are you doing here? What for?
And then the Liman and Samuel Munson answer about damai Madihan.
Munson and Liman says, peace be unto you. That's the answer.
Raja curiga, kenapa kita berdamai? Karena kita tidak ada perselisihan.
Kings suspected him. Anxiety. There's anxiety in wonder in his heart. What for we make a peace? I didn't even know you, and I didn't even make quarrel or fight with you.
Sekali lagi kalian saya tanya, ngapain?
One more time, I would like to ask you, what are you doing here? What for you are doing here?
Ya, jawabannya Horas Raja.
And they answer with Horas Raja in Batak language, means peace be unto you.
Kenapa Horas jawab, mau duduklah biar sopan menghadap raja?
Jadi, why only answer Horas? Please sit down.
Pendeta tidak mengerti bahasa, leluhur kami juga tidak mengerti bahasa Inggris.
Both of them, the missionary, pastors, don't understand Batak language. And also our ancestor, my ancestors don't understand in English language, another language.
Sekali lagi kalian saya tanya, ngapain ke sini? katanya.
One more time, I would like to ask you, what for? What are you doing here?
Dijawabnya, mohok si tuturo hana mimarnidahamu.
Last time, he says, my heart so hot to see your people, to see all of you. Mohop means hot.
Tetapi tujuan dari Munson 5 bukan panas, nice to meet you, itu tujuannya.
But in their hearts, yeah, actually hot here because there is no envy, there is no hatred inside. They mean nice to meet you. But the kings, the ancestor of this lady, misunderstand.
Iya, mohok di daerah kita ini sudah fighting.
When we call words mohop here, means fighting. Which mean, you my envy,
Kemudian
you are my enemy.
mendengar itulah raja menyuruh pengawal supaya menangkap dan menggiring ke Onan sini karena ini dulu Onan Haryara namanya.
So, the king command his army, his people to catch them both and bring them here.
Iya,
This we call market apa?
Haryara.
Haryara market last time.
Iya, karena hanya satu batang beringin besar di sini, di bawahnya sistem market ini itulah nama tempat ini Onan Haryara.
Background market Haryara because there is a very big tree. Its name Haryara in Indonesia beringin, and under the tree, this is the place for barter. Barter.
Dan kemudian ditangkap dan
Daily
digiring.
belah. Dominate.
Ya, ditangkap dan digiring di tempat.
And kingdom's army catch them and bring them to this place.
Raja bertanya sama semua halayak ramai dan sama semua parlemen warga di sini, apa hukuman kita di sini? Karena tadi mereka ajak kita damai dan mau menghalamat mereka.
So kings ask the crowd because this is the market. Yeah, asking the crowd who come here to trading to make trading. Yeah, he just said, yeah. Apa yang bilang tadi?
Apa hukuman kita di sini?
What is the punishment for both of them? Because he said dia apa dia bilang mau pro satu lagi pertama tadi apa? Let us
Damai,
make peace.
Mas.
He says, yeah, we must peace be unto you. He says, what for peace? We are no enemy. We are not enemy. And the second, he says, hot, yeah, panas roha. Hot roha means fight. Panas means hot.
Jadi semua surat-surat itu yang berlaku.
So shouting, yeah, crowded says, yeah, kill them all, kill both of them, kill them, killing them. Like this.
Melihat situasi yang buruk itu, maka mereka menunggu situasi tersebut.
When the pastors see the situations, yeah, the horrible situation, and then Liman and Mulsen kneel down and pray.
Kami tidak melihat kejadian Pak Pendeta. Menurut informasi belum amin sudah ditembak dari sini yang kemarin. Dia masih misteri sudah ditembak. Menurut informasi, kami tidak melihat jadinya makan bersama dan kurang belumnya adanya
So Liman and Mulsen before
rala salju sama tak anak kalau anak sedikit dibunuh pokoknya.
Liman and Mulsen, while they are praying, yeah, while they were praying, someone already pierced from the back before amen, yeah, pierced in the back, and then someone also stopped from inside, and then together people eat their flesh, and the bones here, put here. This is the bone of the bone of the missionary, first missionary. So,
Pak Pendeta, ketika meninggal di tahun 1834,
when the pastors died,
di Jerman.
when Pastor Liman and Munson died, in the same years, 1834,
1834,
Nommensen was born
in Jerman.
in Jerman, in
Yeah.
Germany.
Kemudian keberhasilan dari Nommensen ini, dia belajar dulu tradisi orang Batak. Harus raja didekati, maka apa yang diperintahkan raja turut masyarakat desa, dan dia belajar bahasa Batak yang pertama sekali di Nederland karena banyak dokumentasi kita dibawa pulang oleh penjajah.
So the success of missionary Nommensen last time, he learned, yeah, firstly Batak language, culture, because culture says people hear their king. So he learned a lot of Bataknese because last time Indonesia, including Batak land, colonized by Dutch, Belanda, Dutch. So he learned all document about Bataknese in Netherlands.
Kemudian Nommensen mengerti kegagalan itu di bidang komunikasi, maka dibukalah sekolah sendiri pertama di desa Pacurnapi Tukarutu. Disinilah diterjemahkan Alkitab yang pertama ke dalam bahasa Batak. Sekaligus itulah awal mulanya pengetahuan Injil atau firman Tuhan di tanah bangsa.
So, saudara rekening.
Nomensen.
Nomensen learn why the former missionary fail. It is because the
Translate.
bad communication,
Bad communication.
lacking of the communication. That's why he come to
Pacurna itu.
come to Pacurna Putih. We just pass by, ya Pacurna Putih, and build school,
Ya,
Jending school there,
Yeah.
Jending school,
Sekolah Injil.
ya.
and in the school,
The
yeah, the first time
Translate
translation between
the Bible,
Bible in
with,
English
Batak speaking.
to Batak speaking or to Batak language.
Iya.
And here in Jending, through this school, gospel or word of God be preached.
Iya. Tapi di tahun 1934
But in 1834,
masih diadakan oleh utusan hamba Tuhan dengan keturunan Raja Panggalame leluhur kami di Hariara Nomensen itu.
apa yang
Utusan hamba Tuhan dari luar.
oh, siapa namanya? Masih nggak nembur.
Itu dia. Karena ini dengan ketidakpuasan informasi dibunuh dan dimakan, maka beberapa dari utusan hamba Tuhan datang menjumpai leluhur kami, yaitu anak atau keturunan Raja Panggalame. Diadakan rapat itu di Hariara Nomensen Panggung sekaligus menanyakan kebenaran. Opung kami tidak neko-neko, opung kami tidak sembunyi-sembunyi, mengakui dengan terus terang. Kalau begitu mari kami bawa dua dari keturunan supaya dididik menjadi pendeta. Tetapi karena dipikir mau balas dendam,
Oh,
kesimpulan inilah disimpulkan darah orang mati martir yang menjadi benih Yesus Kristus.
So,
The night 34,
in the 1934, the Jending mana yang bertanya-tanya itu?
utusan hamba Tuhan dari berbagai gereja. Ini kan bukan denominasi satu gereja.
So many messenger from various churches, synoda from the all over the world want to confirm. Did the information that we had Bataknis makan orang ya?
Yeah.
Did Bataknis eat as a cannibal? Ya, eat people. So many messengers from another country, sending their servant, the man of God to see, directly to this place. Jadi kemudian ini apa ini?
Ini keturunan raja.
So they met directly the
Panggalame King
Pangalame's king and his children, last time,
dan menanyakan kejadian.
and asking the incident, the incident,
Leluhur kami mengakui
and her ancestor acknowledge,
dan kemudian menunjukkan lokasi dan tempatnya.
and show the place, this place, the event or the incident happened here.
Dan kemudian utusan membawa batu pertanda itu dari
So,
Amerika.
From America, the messengers, this is the stone from America. They bring this stone as a sign.
Maka dituliskan di situ Zur Erinnerung and the American Material des Evangelium in Batak Handeliran and Samarin.
And here written, the blood of the missionary become a seed, seed of the gospel, the seed of the church here.
Ya. Dan kemudian perdamaian ini diputuskan tidak boleh lagi dendam antara Amerika kepada orang Batak.
So they make a decision, they make a consensus to each other between antara
Amerika.
siapa? Between
Amerika
American and Batak people with the ancestor Raja apa tadi?
Panggalame.
With the Kings Panggalame and his children, ya.
Dan memohon supaya dibawa 2 orang untuk mengganti pendeta yang meninggal.
Dan American messenger says, please give us 2 persons. We would like to bring him to America.
Iya.
America. We would like to teach them to disciple them as a man of God.
Ya. Tapi dipikir mau balas dendam.
But again, they are misunderstanding that American sending will take revenge.
Kemudian di sini diputuskan tidak boleh dendam dengan orang Batak dan keturunan, dan kemudian kesimpulan dari perdamaian ini, darah orang mati-mati yang menjadi pemujaan.
So there is the summary. I mean there is apa kesimpulan ini ya? Conclusion. There's the conclusion of their meeting last time. They are saying that the blood of the martyrs
Is the past
is the first
dari orang yang menjadi benih gereja.
become the first seed of justice in Batakland.
Iya,